But if you have this white color and yellow sides like this, and you cannot see the color cover the middle here different. So what you're gonna do is you move this to the left and take a look at this. This is green and this is the blue. So this means it's different. So you have to use separation technique at here. Okay, if this the same color, you have to use the moving technique. So now I'm using the separation technique. Okay, like this, up, out, up, back, down, back, down. So now you can get the fish like this and has the same color of yellow, same. So we have to use the moving technique. Okay, just up, out, down, out, up, out, out, and down. Oh, now you can have the surrounded color like this by the other colors like this. Okay, now you can do the last step after this.